quite negative.
When presenting the district's acquittals, DDA CEO Himina spoke strongly on infrastructure development and agriculture. He said the district's economy is expected to grow due to development in road infrastructure, allowing farmers to have access to markets.
On the range, we have huge volume of cocoa production and coffee and vanilla up in the mountains, but they are not accessible to market. So we are now putting the new road, as we are speaking, now Dosa start Lakati Nubla. So we are expecting volume of cocoa to come out and vanilla to come out, and we are expecting the rural economy to grow by 2021 and 2022.
Over the years, more funds have been expended on road infrastructure. However, not much has been done to the roads, and that is due to the remoteness of most rural villages. But with more funds being spent on site supervision and monitoring, more feeder roads were developed, which saw the growth in the economy.
Infrastructure funding we spent on site supervision, monitoring and compliance. Because previous projects, when we didn't have site supervision and compliance, we found that projects were not delivered well for money. And so now, when we improve last year, maybe look at big improvement on the site of the road too.
According to the CEO, the economic zone concept, which was introduced in the district, has also proven to be a success. With the economic zone concept, people can now have access to basic services as well as markets.
In terms of agriculture extension services, we can now go into an economic zone. An economic zone contains about 4 wards, so we can cover, in a week we can cover all the entire district through the 23 economic zones, rather than trying to go to all the 71 wards. It's just not feasible.
But the growth in the district's economy is entirely based on the district's investment in the agriculture sector. The CEO said with their investment in agriculture, they have seen interesting results. According to Himina, vanilla can generate over 6.8 billion kina, which is a third of the national budget. He said the agriculture sector is enough to fund the entire national budget.
This is the kind of message we are now trying to bring to the national government. Focus on agriculture and no can pilai. Invest heavily in agriculture, starting with road access. And our farmers must have access to markets and extension services.
Rayon Lakingu National, MTV News.